What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and I'm gonna be doing this video in English even though I've been uploading videos in Spanish, but I'm gonna go straight to the point and I'm gonna talk about what the plans are for the JK in the next upcoming weeks, maybe months. And what you're looking at there is the Synergy. Sorry about the noise, but this is the Synergy rear coilover mount. First of all, you cannot find these anymore. I spoke to Dave at Synergy. They don't manufacture these anymore due to low sales. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that out loud, but I'm just gonna say it. Low sales, I don't know why, but this is a very helpful piece if you want to go from shocks and coils to coilovers. And what this does, I'm just gonna put this down here a little bit and point up to show you how this goes. And the way this is mounted is right here, there, and there. Right now I can't put it out there because the exhaust hangers are in the way. But the way this goes is right about here, right about here, and mount it, weld it up to the frame. How I got this, it was a lucky shot actually. I got this off a guy out in Arizona, I think he's in Arizona. And I contacted him via Facebook on a page meant for two-door Jeeps, TJs and JKs, I think, JLs too, that have a rear stretch, and pretty much all you talk about is rear stretching your two-door Jeeps. That's the main subject in that group. So I found this guy that actually purchased the kit a few years ago before it was discontinued by Synergy. And I never used it. He went a different route, completely changed his plans. He posted it out on the on one of my posts. Actually, he commented on one of my posts, said, "Hey, I got this kit, never used, up for sale." I quickly got a move on it and was able to buy it from him for a few hundred bucks. Had it shipped to my house in Texas, and now I can get my project going. So definitely that's gonna go in the Jeep. He's gonna restretch it 8 inches. I'm still waiting for a coilover, still waiting for the control arms bracket. I already have the control arms, which are sitting right underneath all that pile of metals and this half door. They're right there. Or cool, the long arms. Oops. Sorry. Yeah, I got a lot of junk here. Those are the long arms, and hoping that I won't have to do the brackets, but I think I will have to do that. I'm not sure yet. But that is what we're let me reposition this camera. That's what we're gonna be working on in the next couple of weeks. I do plan on getting this before a trip that I had planned in the summer, so I better get started. Also, the fenders are gonna have to get cut roughly about maybe here, from maybe this point all the way down here, to allow the tire to flex. So let me know what you guys think. It's definitely gonna be a time-consuming project. It is gonna take a lot of my time. It's gonna have to have to sit parked for at least a month or more until I get this done. I'm definitely going to be uploading videos and pictures for you guys. I know there's not much information on the 2-door Jacobs stretch because there's a lot of options that you have there. You have Rock Crawler offering a 6-inch rear stretch. You have Terraflex offering a 2-inch stretch. Synergy still manufactures a native stretch, but they use a different kit now. They now use the Coilover towers, which mount to the side of the frame, and they go up here. I'll show you guys a picture. Which it was the way I was gonna go, but I found the toothpick in the hay, and I was able to get my hands on this Coilover bracket, which I am beyond happy, because I didn't want to cut into the tub. I don't like the look of it. I like the look where the suspension is, where, you know, here. Besides, I don't think I want to do any bigger than 10-inch up travel coilovers. I think I'm gonna go with that, 10. I don't want to do 12s or 16s or any bigger than that, because then the Jeep sits way too high. Even though some coilovers are adjustable, or all of them are adjustable, I don't think I want any bigger than 10. And I'll show you guys a picture of what it'll look like, or what it should look like after it's done. Muffler's gonna go, shocks are gonna go. Those king shocks are definitely gonna have to go. Springs are going. I'm also gonna do the Evo lower mounts. So those are gonna get cut, and I'm gonna install some Evo manufactured lower mounts. What else is going on there? Track bar might have to go with an adjustable. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna be able to use that track bar bracket with the coilover. Once it's on there, I'll know. What else? Muffler, I already said it's gonna have to get cut off again. Longer brake lines are also gonna get installed. It's gonna retain the 5 link. That is not gonna change. I'm gonna still be on, sorry, there's a lot of noise. I'm still gonna be on 5 link front and rear. I don't know that that's gonna change. There's a lot of construction around here. Oh, rear Driveshaft. I'm gonna have to get a new one because it'll not work with the factory Driveshaft. That's gonna have to get a new one, but I can't order it until the 8-inch is actually complete, 100% complete, that I can properly measure for a Driveshaft. I called up Adam at Adam's Driveshaft, and they said no, get it done first, give me a measurement from pinion gear, rig pinion, and the yoke, and then I'll get you a Driveshaft. So I'm gonna have to wait on that. Other than that, that is what is going on with the JK. I recently came back from Hot Springs Off-Road Park, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But it's coming together. Lots of plans for the JK in the near future, so definitely stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give it a share and like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.